This is the Pencil String Art Kit tutorial by String Art by Kaylee. You will need the pencil kit, a pair of scissors, and a squeegee, gift card, or straight edge to place the vinyl. The very first thing we will do is take a picture of our board. We are going to remove this paper so all of these lines will disappear. Your picture will be your reference. Alrighty, now that your paper is off, go ahead and grab that organza bag with the yarn and take everything out of it. We will be starting with the wood part of the pencil, so go ahead and grab your tan yarn. With this tan bundle, you will grab that thread around the middle and go ahead and unravel it. Once unraveled, we are ready to tie the knot, so I just do a little loop up in the air, and then I'll tuck it onto any one of the nails in the area we're working in and pull it tight. Throughout this entire string art process, we are going to make sure we're pushing that yarn all the way down to the base of the board. And then we will start with outlining the area we're working in. This way we can see exactly where we're going to fill in. And again, making sure we're pushing that yarn all the way down to the base of the nails. Once the outline is set, we are ready to fill in. You can go in a pattern like shown, or you can jump all over in any different direction like this. It doesn't matter, the point is just to fill in the area. You can fill in as much or as little as you want. A lot of string art, you do still see the board behind it. I personally like to make it to where I cannot. That is totally up to you. The only thing to keep in mind, as you are filling in, the layers will start building up the height of the nail. You want to stop it halfway. A lot of the nails will have two different yarn colors using them, so we want to make sure we leave room. Once you are finished filling in the area, feel free to add another outline. This part is optional, but it does give it a slightly cleaner look. We are now finished with this area. Time to cut the yarn. What I like to do is cut the yarn a little bit longer to make it a lot easier to tie. Make that same loop as before, tuck it onto a nail, and pull it tight. And then I like to take my scissors and trim this end to about 1/2 inch or so, and then I'll use the end of the scissors to go ahead and tuck that little end in. That will help hold the knot. Time to move on to the lead of the pencil. Grab that black yarn. Like before, we were grabbing that center thread and unraveling the bundle. Make that loop up in the air and tuck it onto any one of the nails in that area. Go ahead and outline. You will see the 3 nails on the top. The black yarn will go on top of those tan layers. And here's a look at those tan layers. They go halfway up the height of the nail. Plenty of room to add our future colors. And then fill in. Quick outline and ready to tie off. Just keep repeating those same steps we've been doing to finish the rest of the pencil. In this yellow section, we will add little details like these long horizontal lines on the pencil. Like we did with the yellow area, we will also be adding 2 straight lines on this gray part. And we are now done with the string art portion. Let's add the words. Taking the words, go ahead and flip it over, grab your squeegee and start scraping the back. This helps vinyl stick to that transfer tape. Grabbing that backing, peel off nice and slow to remove it. Flip that transfer tape over and find your positioning to put the words down. Once you find the right positioning, grab that straight edge and start scraping the tape to help the letters stick to the board. And then start pulling off that transfer tape nice and slow. I do it against the squeegee to help the letters stick against the board even better. And you now have a finished pencil string art. If you like this tutorial, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more future tutorials. Thank you for watching.